First, let's start by subscribing. What kind of creatures lived in the ocean 500 million years ago? And why did the predators of the Paleozoic era come onto land? During the early Paleozoic, 500 million years particularly known as various the Cambrian marine organisms dominated the seas, famous for the explosive increase in biodiversity. 1. Organisms of the Paleozoic ocean. Trilobites were representative. Marine arthropods of the Paleozoic, existing in various sizes and shapes, feeding on organic matter. Agnatha. These were early jawless fish that established themselves as important predators in the ocean. They primarily fed on tiny organisms and later evolved into more advanced forms of fish. Sponges and coral. Sponges and early corals were important components of the ocean ecosystem, primarily inhabiting shallow waters and providing habitats for various marine life. Mollusks. During this period, a variety of mollusks also existed. In particular, many bivalves like conchs were discovered, and they inhabited various environments in the sea. Predators of the Paleozoic era. During this time, predators such as early fish existed, and they survived by hunting other organisms as apex predators. There are several theories about why the organisms that lived in the Paleozoic seas moved onto land. The main reasons are as follows. Resource scarcity. Early marine organisms may have struggled to survive due to environmental changes or resource shortages. These pressures led them to seek new habitats. New terrestrial ecosystems. Land offers a different ecosystem compared to the sea. And as early plants began to appear, opportunities arose to secure food on land. These resources motivated organisms to venture onto land. Avoidance from predators. While there were various predators in the sea, moving onto land provided opportunities to escape from predators by finding new habitats. Evolutionary pressure. As organisms adapted to their environment became a survival strategy for them. The transition to land. In particular, the emergence of early terrestrial plants and insects led to the formation of a new ecosystem. Conclusion. 500 million marine organisms lived in the Paleozoic seas, and they were important components of the ecosystem. The reason organisms came onto land can be understood as a combination of factors such as environmental changes and the exploration of new habitats. This process of evolution ultimately led to the diversity of terrestrial organisms and the development of ecosystems. If you subscribe, I'll do my best to improve and work harder.